in. You called it cute?
Yeesh.
I actually do want one of these.
I would.
Especially the Bronco one.
Should I buy this?
We can team up and get one of these.
Do you wanna
Yes.
split it?
How much money do you have?
I have 170.
Oh, okay.
It's 150, so what?
So,
75?
damn, you're just so good at math.
You're absolutely right. You have held on to it for over.
Here it is, newest addition to our lineup. Brand new crawler, TRX4 Mini. A little bit late to the party, but I'm super excited to unbox this thing and get running. All right, just got it unboxed. There it is. Came with a little 2-cell battery, got the remote, got the manual, got the actual truck in a beautiful blue. This is what my brother wanted. We thought it could either be red or blue, and we got the blue one, which is, I think, the better looking one. Here's the actual truck. It is a clipless body. We just felt that this part came off here. Got the little 180 turn motor in there. I'll show you that in a second. Comes with this plastic film on top of it. Traxxas always does. Got the little battery there. My brother's holding on to that. And then another TQ transmitter. Sorry, that's the Armor. We have some experience with those, so we have to mark this one. But yeah, beautiful looking truck. This charger came with a little USB. Got this little 3-prong connector here. And that little 3-prong connector. Nice little 750 2S battery. Pretty interesting. And here is the inside of the actual truck. He's going to go get that charged up so we can run it. I have our little ESC here. It's all exposed, everything out in the open. That's where the battery plugs into. Battery goes there. And then we've got our 180 turn Titan motor. Really nice looking truck. Nice looking body. I'll get that film all taken off so I can actually take some pictures of this. Maybe use it as a thumbnail. So we went out to the RC store today, the hobby shop. Got this truck fixed too. That's the Slash. And the guy out there, as we were buying this one, he didn't even charge us for the repair. He's a really nice guy. So shout out to IAM RC store out in Manassas. I'll show a picture of it here in a second. Really nice guy, really nice place. And yeah, he helped us out with all the stuff that we needed today. So got the truck here. I'm gonna get this out and drive it in a second. All right, good. Aw.
Tumble.
Tumble wumbo.
I don't want to be in the race.
You're not. Seth, I can't drive up the wall. Look at the suspension.
Turns are pretty good.
Yeah, it's got a really tight turning circle. Ah! Pardon the baseball pants. I gotta go to a game in a second. Oh, it doesn't fit. That's the motor. You can make that turn. Wait till we get this thing outside later.
Where is it?
It's behind the... No, you're not gonna make that turn. There we go. Seth.
Why is like the whole body tilted? There's a whole suspension.
Suspension, yeah. Hey. Let me drive it too at some point.
Technically, you haven't paid for it yet.
Seth. Not too far. Seth. Yep. That's how small it is.
Barely.
Yep. My turn. Alright, got this little wood pile here. Gonna see if our crawler can make it up. Good start. more gas. Oh yeah, easy. Uh-oh. I think we're stuck on the big one. Oh, I don't know how we would have gotten down anyway. Look, it'll go up the lugs. Oh. Let's see. So, we'll do the logs pretty easily. Take it out, the grass. Ooh. Let me go. I didn't think I'll be able to go in the grass like this. Coming over here. This should be pretty easy. Yeah. Wonder if there's anything up down here. Oh. You have a little bit of a trail back behind all these trees down there. See if I can do it. You're walking so slowly. How fast? First time outside. This thing's pretty fun. Alright, so we got this back here. Make it all the way up. Oh, yes, I can. Oh, there's a stick in it. See if we can bring him back down now. I think it's so bright. Oh my gosh, look at that stick. Oh, never mind. Stuck in the vegetation. So, step on it. What? Oh. Come back over. This one would be fun on like a creek. Or find a creek. See if it'll make it up this hill over here. You want up this one? Come over here, sis. See all the roots? Oh, easy. This truck is pretty impressive. Yeah. Nobody hit. Oh no. Oh no. Flip him over. Flip him over. Don't just stare at his corpse. Ugh. Come on, guy. Oh, this is a test. Don't stand on it. It's a test right here.
Go up.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
We'll hurry up. Let me try. Let me try.
don't think we can go directly up this little log right here. Let's try though. Looks like we found our first challenge. You can use this right here. Little stair step. See if it'll get up that. It might just be a little bit too steep for it. Yeah. I think we're getting over that one. Trying to get us off though. Yes, I can. Bring it back over to the deck.